So today we're going to go into lesson 4, and since lesson 3, since the last episode, I didn't even get a single thing right, I don't think. Especially watching it back, especially with the rooster. Like I really thought that the cat was a rooster. I don't know why, but yeah. So I've written down some notes this time today. Let's see how that helps. Yeah. So let's begin. Twige Kinyarwanda. Okay. Imigani yambere. Nizibika zose zari amagi. Nizibika zose zari amagi. Nizibika zose zari amagi bishaka kutubwira nusuzugura abandi, kubera ko abantu twese turi kimwe. Imhoko ni kimwe, turavuka kimwe, n'iherezo ni kimwe, tugapfa tujya mutaka. Mu Cyongereza baranditse, 2 oaks from little acorns grow. Bivuga ko akabuto y'agati ikura kirekire ni kinini. Kugenda cyane, gutera kubona. Kugenda cyane, gutera kubona. Genda tekereza ko iyo phrase ntabwo bayanditse neza. Ngenda tekereza ko mugomba kuvuga kugenda cyane ni gutera kubona me. Banditse kugenda cyane gutera kubona. Kugenda cyane gutera kubona. Hari indi migani mu Kinyarwanda dufite birenganiye, ni akanyoni katagurutse nimenya aho biyeze. Akanyoni katagurutse nimenya aho biyeze. Grow older, grow wise. Uko ukura uzakura umunyabwenge. Imigani ya gatatu. Ugaburira uwijuse bararwana. Ugaburira uwijuse bararwana. Hano bari kutubwira ugaburira abantu bayuzuye bararwana. Ushobora kuvuga ko ipoye yawe yuzuye me uri kwihata. Ni gutyo ka uri kwihata urabizambye. Me ka warirangije warahageze wiretse ufata ikindi kintu. Success ni gutyo mvuga success. Ibintu byiza wabonye hano ushobora kubikoresha. Urabibona biragufasha mu bindi bintu. Mu Cyongereza batubwiye ko you can lead a horse to water but you can't make him drink. Ushobora gufata ifarashi ku mazi me ntabwo ushobora kuhihata kunywa amazi. Imigani ya kane. Ugaya ubuto ibuye arira urwara akumva. Ugaya ubuto ibuye arira urwara akumva. Ugaya ubuto ibuye arira urwara akumva. Hano bari kutubwira ko ufata ibuye gutya kwishwanwa when you try to crunch something, when you're clawing onto something. So it's asking to claw onto a stone. Donc ushratura ibuye. Gutera ujisho nabi kuwa jeune, kurubyiruko. Kubera mu buzima ubusaza bishobora kuba ke wavuga nabi kuwa biruko ya nonaha. Me bishaka kubwira biragora birarushya. Niyo mpamvu bari kuvuga ufata ibuye, nagushoboka ufata ibuye wishatura. Kubera ko ka ushatura ibuye birakubabaza. Bishaka kuvuga ko nuvuge nabi kububyiruko yawe munsi, kubera ko birakubabaza. Mu Cyongereza bazanditse, never judge a book by its cover. Nutera amagambo ku muntu kubera ko naguzi ahantu y'umuntu yapasije. Imigani ya gatanu. Ujya kwica ubukombe arabwagaza. Ujya kwica ubukombe arabwagaza. Hano baratukubwira ubukombe ni kanyamaswa abantu bafata ikintu igitenge y'umutuku baramubwira kugendayo. Yo ni uko bari kuvuga ko ushaka kwica iyo nyamaswa agomba kwigenda neza, ni gutyo ushaka kuyica. Mu cyongereza baranditse the smart one gives in. Yeah, comme imigani ya keep your friends close but your enemies closer. Kubera ko ubukombe ntabwo iri ni inyamaswa, ntabwo iri nshuti ya umuntu. Niyo mpamvu bari kukubwira kugenda witonze. So it's basically saying keep your enemies close and then execute your plan. That is what it's saying in Kinyarwanda. Some of these terms, I'm not going to lie to you, I really don't know. I really don't. Thank you so much for watching. Yes, so I don't know if I do so well with the whole pre-planned having notes. I never liked doing notes, in all honesty, but it was just like the last episode, I didn't even get a single thing right. I did understand it, it's just that maybe it wasn't in the way that I understood it, but I don't know. So we'll see. The notes kind of, I think it makes it harder when you have notes. I'd rather do it free flow, you know, free flow. But yeah, thank you so much for watching today. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, enjoy. Comment below if you think that maybe I misinterpreted certain things, or like I said, the sayings, the pronunciation was a bit off. Just drop it below in the comments and we'll work on it together. If you have any other ideas or any other suggestions, as always, you can contact me on my social media handles, or you can contact me on my email directly. As always, have a wonderful and blessed week ahead, and I will see you guys in my next video. Ciao.